play that song, my thumb has to push so hard in the back of the neck. And when we were recording it, like, I literally played it for like 3 hours straight because I could never get it right.
Oh, we couldn't get the right sound.
Exactly. And long story short, I'm completely numb in my thumb now because of that one song. True story, I do not have any more feeling in my thumb. Yeah, I must have screwed up some nerve in it. So,
Another funny story.
No funny.
How would you like the whoa thing at the end where everyone's like, whoa? That's like not in the recording thing, because CJ decided to do it one day.
I was like, I like
the first time we ever played it, he just did it randomly, and then like, everybody thought like that's how the song goes. So every time we play it live, the audience always does that, so like, just do it.
Good. And the even funnier story, we wrote that song in an airplane. And like we were kind of like sporadic all over the place. And I'm like, hey Nick, yo, show me yours and I'll show you mine. yo, I'm gonna make you sweat and feel it head to toe. And like people are looking at us like, what the hell?
Reading these like raunchy lyrics. There was like a middle-aged lady the plane next to me being like, what? They were all sitting next to each other, and I was it was like 3, and I had to sit by myself. So I'm like on my phone trying to. Now your day is free. I'm like, yo, I'm like, I got it, good one.
So like our sexiest song in the CD was written in an airplane. Inspired by were you sitting like in between two people?
I was sitting next to that person who just smelled.
He's so bad. I remember that one. Oh, she smells terrible.
I did. Where I was sitting.
We haven't had a good plane experience ever. We had this girl that was allergic to peanuts. Like, they announced it on the plane saying, "Do not eat peanuts. This girl will die."
Peanuts.
So
like you're sitting next to the row, and we have to be right
next to the row.
And of course, like the one day I'm jonesing for peanuts is the one day like the girl is gonna die.
Totally. But it was okay. That part we let slide. She happened to be sitting like right behind me. She was like the seat directly behind.
You can't help it if we're allergic to peanuts.
Yeah, no, you can't help that.
They had peanut M&Ms.
That's why Steve doesn't eat.
No, honestly, this is what happened. She was sitting right behind me, and I'm like, all right, it's cool. She's a little girl. She can't have peanuts, whatever. But the whole, it's like a Delta plane, so there's like little TV screens that you have to touch. The whole she wouldn't stop poking my seat. And honestly, I was just about to throw a peanut at her. But it was all right. We ended up not throwing a peanut at each other.